Hey everyone, and welcome back into the fastest 2 minutes in auto repair. This is the rundown. Tony, storms have been affecting our customers up and down the East Coast. What has Autoshop Solutions been doing to help their customers?
Yeah, being a North Carolinian myself, this hit very close to home. So my team and all of our teams took immediate action and started outreach to the shops that were impacted. First and foremost, we wanted to make sure they were okay. If they weren't okay, we offered subscription relief, so we're not going to be billing them. We want to make sure they're back on their feet and doing what they can do every single day. We made a donation to ASTA. So there's a lot of things in action, and this is a hot topic right now, Kevin. What are you seeing shops, and what can shops do for disaster prep?
It's been a lot of conversation in our peer-to-peer groups recently. I mean, first and foremost, if you have a cloud-based system, that's going to help, right? Because you can access your system, your data anywhere. If you're on a locally installed system, there are options. We have one of them where you can move your data to a cloud storage so you can still access it and not be tethered to a local install program. Just make sure you have access to your data. That's really first and foremost. And as we're talking about making sure everyone is happy and healthy, I'm so excited to see a lot of people in person in just a few weeks at Apex and SEMA. Tony, give us the lowdown on what's going on out in Vegas.
It's industry week, favorite time of the year. So we're going to have great representation at SEMA. In fact, we're going to have an SMS combo booth. So we're going to be represented there as well. We're going to be over at Apex too. And my favorite parts are just seeing all your industry friends, the social events, the networking opportunities, the parties. And speaking of parties, I think you're doing Shop Hero again, right?
Yeah, we did an award ceremony last year. It was really well received. So this year we sent out surveys to over 7,000 customers to nominate their shop hero. We're going to be giving out that award at the event on the Wednesday of SEMA. We're also going to be doing a co-sponsored party with Automotive, shout out Lisa Coyle, on that same Wednesday night. So a lot of events, a lot of networking, a lot of in-person happenings going on out there in Vegas. Thanks everybody for joining in this episode of The Rundown. Have a great week.